Good morning. Welcome to Info Syntax. Today we will learn about NoSQL. What is NoSQL? NoSQL refers to non-SQL or non-relational database. It means this database is not supporting relational model. NoSQL is a type of database management system or DBMS designed to handle and store large amount of unstructured and semi-structured data. Unlike traditional relational database that used table with predefined schema to store data, NoSQL database use flexible data model that can adapt to changes in data structure and are able to scale horizontally to handle increasing amount of data. This statement it says it is type of database management system to supporting unstructured data and semi-structured data. It means when you are going to SQL part, you have predefined schema and that schema you are designed a table. The structure or description already defined, like then after we are inserting the data as per the structure only. But here there is no structure or semi-structure, so we can insert any kind of data as per your need. We will understand different type of category in NoSQL database. So NoSQL database can be classified into four main category. The first is document stores, next key value stores, then column family data stores or white column data stores. The final one is graph database. We will understand each type of database present in NoSQL. First we will understand document database. This database stores data as semi-structured document like JSON or XML. Document stores are extension of simplicity of key value stores, where the value are stored in structured document like XML or JSON. Document stores make it easy to map object in the object-oriented software. In this database have some pros and cons. Let's understand the pros. Simple and powerful data model, scalable, open formats, no foreign keys. Now we will discuss the cons. Not suitable for relational data, querying limited to key and indexes, may produce for more significant queries. In this category, familiar databases are MongoDB, Lotus Notes. Now we will understand next category of NoSQL, that is key value stores. These databases stores data as key value pairs and are optimized simple and fast read and write operation. This is the simplest type of NoSQL database. Under this type, data is stored in the form of key value pairs. For each key, there is a value assigned to it. Each key is unique and accepts only the string, whereas the value corresponding to the particular key can accept string, JSON, XML, etc. It is capable of dealing with massive load of data. In this database have some pros and cons. Let's understand the pros. Simple data model, scalable, value can include JSON, XML, flexible schema, extremely fast. Cons are no relationship, not suitable for complex data, lacks scanning capability, not ideal for operation rather than CRUD operation such as create, read, update, delete. The popular key value stores database are DynamoDB, Redis. The third one is column family stores. This database stores data as column family, which are set of columns that are treated as single entity. They are optimized for fast and efficient querying for large amount of data. In this database have some pros and cons. Let's understand the pros. Supports semi-structured data, naturally indexed, scalable. Cons, not suitable for relational data. some of the popular database like Google's Big Table, HBase. Now we have understand column, family, store, category, type of NoSQL. Now let's understand the final one, graph database. These database stores data as nodes and edges and are designed to handle complex relationship between data. Let's understand pros point of graph database. Extremely powerful. Connected data is locally indexed, can provide ACID. We will discuss this concept on different video. I'll share the link on the description box. Results in real time, agile structure. Now cons point is difficult to scale out, through can scale up. Some of the popular graph databases are Neo4j, OrientDB. Now you have to understand 4 categories of NoSQL database. Next slide, we will see advantages of NoSQL. The first point is dynamic schema. This one we have already discussed in MongoDB introduction. Here we will understand what is dynamic schema. When we talk about NoSQL, it is not supporting schema-based architect. That means whenever we are inserting data into table, there is no specific schema. So due to that reason, we can enter different type of schema on each insert statement. Horizontal scalability. That means whenever we are talking about scalability, the DB have a lot of data and it is creating the cluster based on the location basis. So here we can see this database is created in horizontal basis. So it can able to handle more requests as compared to the vertical scalability. Now it support document based, and next one is key value based, column based, distributed and high availability. How the database is replica is happen in server. So due to that, data is distributed in different machines. So we will achieve high availability, flexibility, and finally we will get better performance as compared to other. Now let's understand some disadvantage point of NoSQL. Lack of ACID compliance. NoSQL databases are not fully ACID compliant, which means they don't guarantee the consistency, integrity and durability of data. This can be drawback of application. This database support horizontally scalability. So how it is happening? Suppose we have 3 nodes and each are replica of each other. I will mention as A, B and C node. But one will be there, that is the primary node, and other are replica of the primary node. Suppose if we are interacting with this node and I have changed some data. So right now I am the user 1 and it is interacting with node B, and here I have modified some data in node B. So that time this data should be replicated on node A as well as node C. Okay, then only that data consistency will be maintained. But in this case, suppose if node B is interacting with node A to update the records what I have requested, but that time if network is disconnected, that time this data will not replicated actually on that moment. So this is one kind of drawback in NoSQL. Narrow focus. NoSQL database have a very narrow focus as it's main designed for storage, but it provide relational database are better choice in this field of the transaction management as compared to NoSQL database. The next point is open source. NoSQL is open source database. There is no reliable standard of NoSQL yet. Lack of support for complex query. The NoSQL database are not designed to handle complex query, which means that have are not good fit for application that require complex data analysis or reporting. Now understand lack of maturity. NoSQL databases are relatively new and lack the maturity of traditional relational database. This can make them less reliable and less secure than traditional database. Management challenges. The purpose of big data tools is to make management of large amount of data as simple as possible. But it is not so easy. Data management in NoSQL is much more complex than traditional database. NoSQL in particularly has reputation for being challenging to install and even more hectic to manage on daily basis. UI is not available. GUI model tools to access the database are not available in the market. Then final one is large document size. Some database system like MongoDB stores data in JSON format. This means the documents are quite large and these data are rapidly increasing the document size. Now we have understand the NoSQL part. We will meet on another video. Thank you. Please subscribe YouTube channel InfoSyntax, and for more details you can visit www.infosyntax.com. Bye.